When your baby has outgrown the infant carrier and it's time for a bigger seat, Avionaut do the Aerofix. This is the Aerofix RWF 2.0C. From now on we're just going to call it the Aerofix, and it's suitable up to 105 centimeters, and when it's used on the IQ ISOfix base, its weight limit is 17.5 kilos. And I'm just going to show you how to put it on the base. Before the IQ base can be installed in the car, you need to pull the ISOfix arms out. They need to be fully extended. And you do that by pressing the grey button here on the side, holding it down, and then you can slide the ISOfix arm out. And you do the same on the other side. Press the button and slide the ISOfix arm out until it's fully extended. And now I'm ready to put it in the car. So you start by placing the seat into the car, line the ISOfix arms up with the points in the car, click them into place, and the indicators will go green. You then need to slide the base back to close the gap here at the back between the rebound bar and the vehicle seat, and you do that by pressing these grey buttons again, both of them at the same time, and then you slide the base in, give it a good push until the buttons pop back out, and now the base is firmly installed. The next step is to extend the leg down to the floor. And the first thing you need to do is close this gap here. So you angle the leg out as far as it will go until this gap closes. Then you press the red button here at the bottom, hold it down, extend the leg down to the floor, pull the leg down and lift the top half of the leg up slightly until the button clicks. This red light here, the red X, indicates that there is no seat on the base. And if you were to click the seat in and that red X doesn't turn into a green tick, then the seat is not clicked into place properly. So to put the seat on the base, you need to line up the metal bars with those metal claws, and the holes here in the back slide into the top of the base here. So you just place it on like this and click the front down until it's locked into position and the tick has gone green. This is the side impact protection block that has to be fitted on the side of the seat. It's got these little grips here that slide into the plastic edge of the rim here. So you just place it on, click it into place, and that's it. The Aerofix has 3 recline positions. It's currently in its most upright, and if you want to recline it, there is a lever down here. You'll feel it when you put your hand down there. Squeeze the lever and just recline the seat into one of its 3 positions. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you very soon.